Baldness is a common issue that affects many people, and while there are various herbal remedies that are claimed to help with hair growth, it is important to note that there is limited scientific evidence to support their effectiveness. However, some herbs and natural ingredients may have properties that could promote hair growth and prevent hair loss. Here are some herbal remedies that may help with baldness. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has enzymes that can help stimulate hair growth and improve hair texture. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to your scalp and hair and leave it for an hour before washing it off with a mild shampoo. Rosemary. Rosemary contains compounds that can improve circulation to the scalp and stimulate hair growth. Brew a cup of rosemary tea and use it as a hair rinse after washing your hair. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is rich in fatty acids that can help nourish and strengthen hair, preventing breakage and hair loss. Massage coconut oil onto your scalp and hair and leave it for an hour before washing it off with a mild shampoo. Saw palmetto. Saw palmetto is a herb that may help prevent hair loss by blocking the production of DHT, a hormone that contributes to hair loss. You can take saw palmetto supplements, or use a saw palmetto oil, or extract directly on your scalp. Ginseng. Ginseng contains compounds that can help improve circulation and stimulate hair growth. You can take ginseng supplements, or use ginseng oil, or extract directly on your scalp. Remember, before trying any herbal remedies, it is important to talk to your healthcare provider, or a licensed herbalist to ensure that they are safe for you to use, especially if you have any underlying medical conditions, or are taking any medications.